No greens, no glory. Your healthy, active lifestyle requires daily diversity and nutrition. If you struggle to meet your vegetable goals or need extra vitamins and minerals, try our greens. Our green powder instantly energizes you with 24 different fruits and vegetables. It is loaded with fiber and antioxidants. Meeting your daily vitamin needs has never been easier. You might be skeptical about the taste, but our customers love greens with just water. No more hiding veggies in meals. Even the kids will love it, so it is perfect for the whole family. Give it a try and delight your taste buds.